So starting with some of the most simple ways to add miscellaneous revenues, I'm going to go ahead and say that our antennas here are going to produce a flat amount. So for the account, first of all, the account code, we can enter a unit number or something like that. But to start applying the actual revenue for it, I'm going to go ahead and select the down arrow on amount and click simple. The simple basically defines one flat number that you can apply. So as a default, it's set 0. If I wanted to make the amount, let's say for example $10,000, I would go ahead and change this to 10,000, and I would select this dollar amount. The default is automatically 100%. So this is saying that if I allocated $10,000, the full amount was going to be a revenue no matter any of the other parameters or the way that the property is performing. The second item that I would select after ensuring that this is 100% fixed or determining an alternate, which we'll discuss in a minute, would be selecting the frequency. I'm going to go ahead and just say that the antennas are producing $10,000 per year. As we had done before, we have set this general inflation rate to 2.5%. So I'm going to go ahead and say that that inflation is going to be simple, meaning that it will automatically apply the 2.5% that we have selected before. Not going to mess with reference account or notes right now. I'm just going to go ahead and click close here and see what our outputs are. So I clicked reports. I always just check all the boxes, and that's what I suggest you do when you turn in one of these assignments. I'm going to go ahead and see that we have antennas have now been put in, and we've also had vending machines, although you'll notice that we haven't added an amount for it. The antennas are simple, set at $10,000 a year. And as you can see in year 2, since we've set an inflation rate, a general inflation rate, which automatically applies to miscellaneous revenues, you will see in the second year that the amount has increased from $10,000 to $10,250. Similarly, in the third year, instead of just increasing by $250 again, it's increased by $256 because it's compounding the interest from the previous year. So I'm going to go back to my miscellaneous revenues, and we will look through a number of different other examples.